for launch in 3, 2, 1.
Hello, assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel how to learn. Still you do not like and subscribe, first go and like and subscribe. So we are going to discuss a very fantastic app, that is Foco video. So I have created from here, let me show you. So guys, still you do not like and subscribe my channel, first go and like and subscribe. First I added other one, and the second one is this. If you want to add in this way, you can add. And if you want to do the editing this, you can editing this, which I have done already.
Prepare for launch in 3.
Here are the many editing. I have edited this, I have show you as well. Edit, click on edit, then go. For this app you need internet. Besides internet you cannot use, so now you have to click on the pic, then you can edit the any picture and anything. So if you want to edit, so you can edit easily as I have taken before. Okay, then you have to click here, then you can do the export. Okay, so this is very fantastic to use, and as well as you can use this is very awesome. This is a very fantastic app to use and must try this, and I will give the link in the description as well. Okay, you can use this frame as well. I miss you. Anything you want to use, you can use by here, and you can try this as well. It is very fantastic. So here are the effects as well. Slow-mo, and love story, birthday, festival, whatever you want to use you can use. So this is very fantastic. If you want to use for birthday, so you can use this. Okay, so you can use this by the timer as well. So this is very fantastic to use. So guys, do not forget to like and subscribe, and I will give the link in the description. You can download from the description as well. And still you do not like and subscribe my Noor Zainab official, so first go and like and subscribe my Noor Zainab official. So subscribe this channel. By this you can get the any educational videos, and if you want to learn anything you can learn, and if you want to get the technical videos you can get by here, and which is a description. I want to show you the description. So when you will click here title, so then here you will get the app link, then you easily you can download. Okay, so that is a Foco video. You can see the icon, Foco video icon. Okay, thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.